What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm back in Five Below for yet another shop with me. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing additional items in the store that I haven't covered yet. Today, I'm gonna do what I did the other day, and I'm gonna show items that you guys requested to see. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off with the pet area here. Like it says, so awesome, because everything is $5 and under. This section was requested by Petty Teddy. So Petty Teddy, this section is just for you. We're gonna look at pet toys and pet clothes, and we're just gonna see what they have. So we have this little poop emoji cat toy for $3. It has catnip inside, and these feel pretty nice. These are called Rough and Tough chew resistant material dog toys. These are $4 each. And we have some with squeakers. Let's see if I can get the squeaker. Whose dog's ears just sat up? Petty Teddy, I hope you're watching this with your dog. This is another one with the squeakers. So we have the green, we have the orange, the yellow, and the lime green. These are all the Rough and Tough toys. And then we have this little one here, and it also has squeakers, again, $4. And then we have some of these varieties back here. Okay, I think this is super cute. It's like a T-bone steak. It's a fun plush food snacks chew toy for $4. And all of them are the steaks. And then look at this one, you guys. This is super cute. Give your dog his daily coffee. The straw is the little chewy part. And these are $4 each. Whoa, and then look at this, you guys. We have a Sriracha Hot Sauce down here. These are also just $4. Whoa. These are super nice. These are also, I was gonna say $4, but they're not. They're actually just $3, and I just think the knot design is so awesome. I would say they're about a foot and a half long, maybe not quite 18 inches. And then down here we have these dog toys. We have a skunk for $4. We have this little brown one. We have a little gray raccoon. And the squeaker is right here in the end of the tail. And then we have these nice little 2-packs, and these feel really durable and strong. We have this sort of braided ring, and then we have this one up here, this really hard bone. And we also have it in the orange and the blue. You guys, this has a hanging cactus. It's like a little tube with a hanging toy. So we have, someone just threw this over here. It was Gator! Gator threw it over here. We have this one, and this just has the little black ball. And then we have this one over here that has the little pink ball. And again, these are all just $4. Look at the cactus, Birdie. It's like the tube, it's the tube that has the little dangling cactus. Super cute. Okay, Petty Teddy, let's see what else we have on this aisle. We have dog clothes, a little denim vest. Looks like the sizes are small through large. Oh yeah, a doggy boomerang. Uh-huh. I think so. Yeah, it doesn't come back. Your dog's supposed to bring it back. And then we have this little pet polo shirt.
I can't wait to get that dog. I have two of them.
We have this little dress. Let's see what else. We have, uh-oh, I'm dropping things, you guys. Thanks, honey. Queen bee.
Guess what? Mom's favorite. Guess what? So last night we watched a video of the dog.
We did. Last night we watched a video of the Connie Corgo, I think it's called, dogs. Connie Corso or Kami Corso, I don't remember. But my husband kind of fell in love with that type of dog. So we were watching a bunch of dog videos on YouTube. Okay, let's see what else we have here because we have a lot to look at. More shirts. You like that? A dog coffee?
Yeah, because Tux will sure did.
You think Tux would need a coffee?
Yeah, he would
I think
eat it.
Tux would eat, yeah, he would eat the whole thing. Some little pet leg warmers in unicorn, in cactus, and these are $3 each. Stars and little pink cheetah print. There are a lot of pet clothes. I think I could dedicate a whole video just to the pet clothes. The poo bags. This is a value pack, and they are, I'm not sure how much, you guys. No more than $5. And then we have some cute little unicorn ice cream cones. Unicorn ice creams. And we have rosé all day. These have the squeaky in them. These are $4. What else? We also have Savage. This is $3. It's a pet waste bag holder set with the cute unicorn. That is cute. What else do we have? We also have $4 cat scratchers. Are they 4? No, they're 5. $5 cat scratcher towers. And then they have the little pet beds. Oh, we have unicorns and rainbows and bows. Thanks for the kisses, honey. We have the pink. We have the checkers. We have the goldfish. I bet Birdy's cat Gem would love this. You guys, one time we had a little house like that for her, and she eventually tore it up. But she was in there, and she was so territorial over it, she wouldn't let anyone else get in it. Hi, puppy.
Hey.
Hey, want some fries? It's Friday.
Friday.
Ross Taylor, 1979. You requested to see the books. So this section is for you. We have some adult coloring books over here. A lot of them have the prices in the corner, but not all of them. We have kids workbooks for $4. I really like the Spectrum brand, and it's a nice thick workbook. They also have this one up here. Look, I mean, this is a really nice workbook, and these are $5 each. This is definitely a good price, especially if you are in the market for these and you're going to places like Barnes & Noble. You know that workbooks can be a lot more expensive. We have this amazing sticker atlas. Oh, this set looks really pretty. This would make a really pretty gift for $5. Kaleidoscope coloring, unicorns, and more. It comes with the markers and the coloring book. The presentation is just super cute and gifty. I think that would be nice for, you know, like a birthday party or something. And then we have some of the book and magnet play sets by Disney. This is Sophia the First for $4. Silvery Sparkly Activity Pack. Oh, this is cute. It has 4 books and a giant coloring poster and 4 pencils. Look, you guys, they even have Mad Libs. We love Mad Libs in our house. Joke books, hand lettering books, calligraphy books, art therapy coloring books for $5. Music stuff I listen to, my notes, lists, and doodles. This is like a music journal. We also have a $3 Fabulous Fashion Sketchbook. Oh, nice. This is cute. I'm going to have to show this to Birdy. You want to see it, honey? Take a look at this. It's a fashion sketchbook.
Oh, I think that's good.
Yeah. Okay, and then let's see. These are more so like kits. Read the book, discover the facts, complete the activities. We have a guitar one. Again, you guys, these would be really nice for gifts for Christmas or birthdays. We have a hot stone massage kit. Let's see what else we have over here. Oh, Birdy has this book, Review of My Cat. Guinness Book of World Records. Let's Paint Seashells book and kit. Your Body, Incredible But True Facts. This is a $5 book. Oh, that was actually 2 books put together. Oh, look, you guys, an LOL Collector's Guide. LOL Surprise Collector's Guide. Collage this journal for $3. Oh, this is cool. Collage this journal. I like this. Nice concept. Just $3. Sick in the Head. Judd Apatow. I know that name from somewhere. I can't think of from where though. A yoga book. There's some history books. Oh, look at this, you guys. Muhammad Ali, The Tribute by Sports Illustrated. Oh, wow. I bet my husband would love this book. I think he would. I might have to get it for him. Oh, look. Oh yeah, this looks really nice. Again, that's $5. And then we also have some recipe books, crock pot, juicing, family favorites, The Art of Macaroni and Cheese, Southern Living Rotisserie Chicken Cookbook, meatballs, slow cooker. On the end cap here, there's some workbooks, and I believe they're all just $2 workbooks, and they're the smaller workbooks, something like we might see in Dollar Tree. Esther Akpour, this is for you. You wanted to see some shoes, so we're gonna take a little peek at these slides. I believe these are all $5. We have the shiny silver. These are all like silky. We have the black and the pink. Let's see what we have over here. Sandals. And they're very thin. The bottoms are very thin. We have the black. Some camo canvas. Black canvas. Some white canvas slip-ons. And these white canvas ones with the stripe down the side. Huh. Somehow sunglasses were back here with the shoes. We also have these black slip-ons and these sort of mesh like tennis shoes with the laces. Okay, Esther, let's see what else we have. We also have more slides over here in the white with the iridescence, the rose gold with the iridescence. We also have the clear jellies with the silver. We have the pink sparkle and the blue. And what else do we have over here? I think that's it. Those are all just $5. Let's look over here too, because I think we have some other sandals. Other sandals and flip-flops. These flip-flops are $3 each or 2 for $5. I haven't tried any flip-flops from here, but if you have, please let me know down in the comments what's good about them or what's bad about them. Again, these are $3 each or 2 for $5. We have the pretty pineapples. I really like this one a lot. Okay, and then we have some sandals over here. And this is the biggest size that I've seen here in Five Below, a size 10. Actually, they also have a size 11. So I'm seeing sizes 7 through 11 over here. I found some more shoes for you, Esther. These are also $5 shoes. We have the blue, the black, the rose gold, the white, this sort of blush, kind of like peachy apricot color and that same sort of peachy apricot color, just a little bit lighter down here. These are actually new this week. Ooh, and I think these jellies are new this week too. I like those. I like shiny things. And we have this pair, and then we also have this black pair. I hope you guys enjoyed this Five Below Shop with Me. Please continue to share with me down in the comments what sort of items you want to see on future Shop With Me's. I love reading your comments, and I love coming in here and just seeing all these pretty things, maybe going to sections that I wouldn't normally go to, but thanks to you guys, I'm looking at everything and sharing everything. It just takes a little bit of time. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for hopping on. Thank you guys so much for heading over to my channel and spending some of your day with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.